Mango. Mango. One mango. Two mango. Two mangoes. Three mangoes. One, two, three. Three mangoes. ಈ ಕಡೆ ಅವಳು ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ. Four mangoes. King of the fruit. Mango is king of the fruit.
ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಫ್ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡಿ.
Mango is rich in minerals. Mango is rich in minerals. National fruit. Mango is national fruit. Mango rise and shine. Mango rise and